Benim hayallerim vardı, benim öz dünyam vardı, benim sevdiğim vardı, benim sevgilim vardı. Ama ben şehit oldum, yerim güzeldi, tek ağlama canım, canım sevgilim, bağışla beni, seni tek koydum. Vatan, vatan sağ olsun, vatan, vatan sağ olsun.
Good morning. Today we have devoted our lesson to our immortal martyrs who graduated from our university, Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University. First of all, I want to observe a minute silence to commemorate our unforgettable martyrs who sacrificed themselves to our motherland. Commander-in-Chief, our lovely President İlham Aliyev, and brave sons, martyrs, veterans. As we know, Karabakh is Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan territories which have been under occupation for about 30 years were liberated from occupation as a cost of the blood and lives of our shaheeds. During the Patriotic War, about 3,000 servicemen of our armed forces were martyred in the battles. The 44-day Patriotic War not only brought the joy of victory, but also introduced a dialogue sense to the people of Azerbaijan. A number of brave sons stood up for the dignity and freedom of motherland and became martyrs or veterans. This war, which ended with victory of our country, once again demonstrated the commitment of the Azerbaijani people to the motherland and their readiness to sacrifice for it. Our people united like a iron fist against the ruthless Armenian occupation that lasted for almost 20 years, and our brave men voluntarily joined the fight for the defense of the motherland. In 44 days, Azerbaijan won a brilliant victory and defeated Armenia. Azerbaijan has ended the occupation. Every single day of these 44 days is our glorious history. Azerbaijan soldiers and Azerbaijani officers were fighting for one goal, to put an end to this occupation, to this injustice, to celebrate a victory of historical justice, and we have succeeded. There were also students and graduates of our university were also martyred heroically. May Allah rest the souls of all our shaheeds. We bow our heads in front of our shaheeds. Let's introduce the graduates of our university to you. First of all, I want to speak about Tahir Firdevsi Balkanoğlu. He graduated History Department of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University. Who is going to speak about him? Please, Minaya.
Firdevsi Tahirov was born on February 18, 1997 in Dijo village, Lirik district. He studied at Dijo village secondary school from 2003 to 2007 and then at Şirvan village secondary school named after Hacıyev from 2008 to 2015. From 2015 to 2019 he studied history department at Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University. He was single. Firdevsi Tahirov fought in the Patriotic War that started on September 27, 2020. The war was for the liberation of Azerbaijani lands from Armenian occupation. He fought in the Murovdagh direction and became a martyr on September 27. He was buried in his home village, Dijo. By the order of the President of Azerbaijan, İlham Aliyev, he was awarded the medals for the motherland, Bolivia, Azerbaijan flag, and for the liberation of Kalbajar after his death.
Martyr Arasli Karimgazı Bakshova was born in the village of Yumkashla, Hajmas region of Minko, 1989. The Bakshova has 3 children, 2 brothers and 1 sister. Arasli Bakshova studied English at the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical College. Arasli Bakshova was married, had a son named Martan and a daughter named Zeka. Arasli Bakshova was martyred on October 23 during the Battle of Balkh. She was buried in the Alley of Martyrs in Belajek city. She was awarded Medal of Second Degree for impeccable service, Medal of the 90th anniversary of the Armed Force of Azerbaijan, Jubilee Medal of the 1950th anniversary of the Armed Force of Azerbaijan. Martyr Arasli Karimgazı Bakshova was posthumously awarded the Medal for the Motherland, Medal of Third Degree for impeccable service. After her death, Martyr Arasli Bakshova Karimgazı was also awarded the Florence Nightingale Medal. On January 8, 2021, the Heroic Summit team opened at the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical College under the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University in order to perpetuate the memory of graduates killed in the Karabakh War.
Doğma diyarım ana, ben şehit oldum, yerin güzeldi.
Mata Orhan Rıza was born in Germany in 1995 in the village of Şamak region. From 2001 to 2012, he studied at the Gustavary School. In 2012-2016, he graduated from the Şamak branch of Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University with a degree in Azerbaijani language and literature teaching. He was single. After graduating from University of Medvedev served in the Azerbaijani Armed Force in the Jalabad region. In 2016-2017 as a scout. After completing his active military service, he underwent 3 months of training in the armed force. A lieutenant of the Azerbaijani army, Orhan Nabiyev, fought for the liberation of Zgorsan settlement of Tatar region during the Patriotic War, which began on September 27, 2020 to liberate the Armenian occupied territories and restore the territorial integrity of Azerbaijan. Orhan Nabiyev was mated by a sniper during the Zgorsan battles on October 14. He was buried on November 3 in the Şamaxı region. He was awarded Jubilee Medal, 100th anniversary of the Azerbaijani Army in 2018. Mata Orhan Nabiyev was posthumously awarded the Medal for the Motherland, the Medal for the Liberation of Zgorsan, and the Medal for Distinction in Military Service. Mata Orhan Nabiyev was awarded the Azerbaijani flag. A book called Fearless Lieutenant was published about him.
Tural Demirciyev was born on October 1, 1992 in Baku. In 1999, he started the first grade at school number 19, named after Richard Sordinian Ramama settlement southern Turkestan. After finishing school his excellent grades in 2010, he entered Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University Faculty of Management. On September 21, Tural volunteered joined the military mobilization from the first year to the Second Karabakh War. He fought in heavy battles to free our land. Tural celebrated his 28th birthday in the war zone and aimed at the respect of his soldiers' friends with his bravery and courage. On October 5, 2020, during a counter-attack operation in the direction of Füzuli, Tural Demirciyev was wounded by shrapnel and became a martyr. After his death by the order of the Azerbaijan President Ilham Aliyev, he was awarded the medals for the sake of the motherland and for the liberation of Füzuli.
Mate Ekrem Hasanoglu Hüseyni was born in Lankaran, April 17, 1977, in 1963, in 1994, he studied at the secondary school number 6 in Lankaran. He entered the College of Primary, Military and Physical Training of the Azerbaijan Pedagogical Institute named after Nasreddin Hussein. He was married and had a son named Hasan. Mate Ekrem Hasanoglu Hüseyni also enlisted in the Army Volunteer when the active war began in 2016. On October 21, he destroyed a largest number of enemy forces in the battle and heroically rose to the peak of Macedon. He was buried in Lankaran. For the motherland, for the liberation of Kubatli, for the liberation of Cembayel, Medal for Courage.
Now, Yegane will speak about İlkin Ağaquliyev Saməddinoğlu. He graduated from the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical College, majoring in physical education teaching.
Mate İlkin Saməddinoğlu Ağaquliyev was born in the city of Shabran, October 4, 2000. He received his education at Shabran City Secondary School No. 1 in 2007. He entered to the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical College, majoring in physical education teaching. He was heroically martyred in the battles for Zgorsan during the Patriotic War, which began on September 27, 2020 to liberate the territories occupied by Armenia. He was buried in Shabran Alley of Martyrs on October 18, 2020. Mate İlkin Saməddinoğlu Ağaquliyev was posthumously awarded the medals for the motherland, for the release of Zgorsan, and for courage. On January 8, 2021, the Heroic Summit Auditorium was opened at the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical College under the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University in order to prepare the memory of graduates mated in the Karabakh War.
Now, Vasila will speak about Rəvan Öməroğlu Lətifov. He entered the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University, majoring in the organization and management of education.
Mate Rəvan Öməroğlu Lətifov was born on August 26, 1991. in Kachmas village of Oghuz region. After graduating from the secondary school named after Ibrahimov in Kachmas village in 2008, he entered the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University, majoring in the organization and management of education. The events of bloody January 1990, the Khojalı genocide of February 25 and 26, 1992, and the tragedies experienced by the Azerbaijan people in the First Karabakh War in general had a great impact on joining the National Army. Revaletov joined the National Army on September 29, 2020. On November 6, 2020, he took an active part in the operation to liberate the city of Shusha. This was his large part. Marshal Abrametov was heroically mounted in the bloody battles in this direction. 10 years of his death shocked everyone. He was buried on November 15 in the alley of martyrs in Kachmas village. Martyr Revan Amiroğlu was awarded the medals for the motherland, brave warrior and for the liberation of Shusha.
Now, Elvin will speak about Qoşqar Səxavətoğlu Ömərov. He graduated from the Faculty of Mathematics and Computer Science of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University.
Marta Qoşqar Səxavətoğlu Ömərov was born on February 9, 1994 in Karasu village of Kyoto region in a teacher's family. In 2011, he graduated from Karasu village secondary school with honors and entered the Faculty of Mathematics and Computer Science of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University with 466 points. On September 21, 2020, he joined the army and he took part in battles for a number of aids. On November 4, he rose to the peak of martyrdom in the battles around the village of Dashalti in Shusha. Marta Qoşqar Səxavətoğlu Ömərov was posthumously awarded the medals for the motherland, for the liberation of Füzuli, for the liberation of Khojaland, for the liberation of Shusha.
And now, Angela will speak about Mahter Ağakardaş Abbasov İlhamoğlu. He graduated from the Azerbaijan branch of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University with a degree in Azerbaijan language and literature teaching. Please.
Mahter Ağakardaş İlhamoğlu Abbasov was born on September 28, 1992 in Hüseyinxanlı village of Labart region. He went to school in 1998 after finishing Hüseyinxanlı secondary school in 2009. He entered from the Azerbaijan branch of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University with a degree in Azerbaijani language and literature teaching. After graduation in university, he joined the army. Mahter Ağakardaş Abbasov is senior lieutenant of the Azerbaijani army. Fought in the battles of the liberation of Füzuli during the Patriotic War, which began on September 27, 2020 by the Azerbaijani armed forces to liberate the territories occupied by Armenia. Ağakardaş Abbasov was martyred on September 28 during the battles of Füzuli. He was buried in the Zabrat district. He was a daughter named Ilknur. Mahter Ağakardaş İlhamoğlu Abbasov was awarded the medal for the motherland for the liberation of Füzuli after his death.
Günay will speak about Ceyhun Nüsretli Adıloğlu. He graduated from the Faculty of Chemistry of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University. Please, Günay.
Mahter Ceyhun Adıloğlu Nüsretli was born on April 18, 1995 in Baku. Ceyhun's family is from Valgarda village of Füzuli. After the occupation of Füzuli, the family settled in Khojaland settlement in Beylegan for some time. In 2001, he started taxi company School number 55 in Füzuli region. In 2012, he was admitted to the Faculty of Chemistry of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University. He graduated from the same university in 2016. Ceyhun went to military service in October 2019. On September 29, 2020, he was martyred as a result of sharing in the direction of Ağdərə. Martda Ceyhun Agilov Nusratli was awarded the medal for the motherland. Please vary after his death.
Now Rəşidə will speak about Mater Ergün Əzizov Elmanoğlu. He graduated from the Şamaxı branch of the Teachers Institute as a teacher of Azerbaijan language and literature.
Senior Lieutenant Mater Ergün Elmanoğlu Əzizov was born on July 8 in 1990 in Gürtepe village of Şamaxı region. Ergün was admitted to Şamaxı branch of Teachers Institute in 2007 as a teacher of Azerbaijan language and literature. After graduating in 2011, he was sent to military service. He completed his military service in 2012. He married in 2030 and had 3 children. Mater Ergün Elmanoğlu Əzizov took part in the Patriotic War, which began on September 27, 2020. On October 6, he received 2 bullets while trying to save his soldier in the battles in the direction of Füzuli. Despite his blood and was heroically martyred. He was buried on October 7 in Müşrikabad settlement by a large crowd. Mater Ergün Elmanoğlu Əzizov was posthumously awarded the medal for the liberation of Füzuli, for the liberation of Kocaman, and for courage. Sultan Müdafık Asamoğlu Tahirov was born on January 31, 1997 in Pennsylvania, Australia. He entered the Chemistry Biology department of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University in 2030. His father, Asim Ata, also studied at the Geography Faculty of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University. In 2018, he dropped out of the school and joined the Volunteer Army. He married in 2018. Mater Vidavut Asamoğlu Tahirov has a 4-year-old daughter named Asya. He showed bravery in the Patriotic War. Vidavut Asamoğlu Tahirov was awarded for the liberation of Shah, for the liberation of Kandahar, for the liberation of Jabrayil, for his bravery during the 44 days Patriotic War. He was also awarded the medal for distinction in military service, for distinction in battle.
Now Sura will speak about Mater Ergün Zakirov Ağasalimoğlu. He graduated from the Faculty of Physical Education and Military Training of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University.
Mater Ergün Ağasalimoğlu Zakirov was born on August 1598 in the city of Sumqayıt. After graduating from high school, he was admitted to the Faculty of Arts and Physics and Education of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University, majoring in Physics and Education and Military Training. He was married. He has 2 children, a daughter named Yavrum and a son named Doğru. Teacher of his Bin Ağasalimoğlu Zakirov, who was heroically martyred in the battles in the direction of Kocaman on November 9, was buried on November 20 in the Alnir Martyr in Sumqayıt. Mater Zakirov Ağasalimoğlu was posthumously awarded the medals for the motherland, for the liberation of Füzuli, for the liberation of Kocaman, for the liberation of Jabrayil, and for courage.
Now Gülüş will speak about our Mater Ali Alasov Aydınoğlu. He graduated from the Faculty of Social Psychological Service in Education of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University.
Lieutenant Ali Aydınoğlu Alasov was born on January 8, 1995, in Tatarlı village of Goranboy district. He was married. He has a son named Ali. He graduated from the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University in the specialty of social psychological service in education. Marta Ali Aydınoğlu Alasov was martyred on October 7 in the direction of Baghdad. He couldn't be found for a long time. He was buried in the Goranboy district on December 29, 2020. Marta Ali Aydınoğlu Alasov was posthumously awarded the medal for service to motherland, for the relief of Slovakia.
Şəhidlər şərəf, qeyrət, uzalıq zirvəsidir. Şəhidlər azadlığın ot şimşək zərrəsidir. Şəhidlər tarixləşən istiqlal qüvvəsidir. Şəhidlər şimşək kimi buludlar saxlamazlar. Şəhidlər ölməzdirlər, ölməzi ağlamazlar.
Şəhidlər, siz verdiniz bütün yaradıcılığına. Şəhidlər, siz söylədiniz tarihin qəhrəmanına. Şəhidlər, çevirdiniz bir hünər aslında. Şəhidlər, vətən sizə hər gün alış edək. Şəhidlər, əziz müfrət qarşınızda başlayın.
Now Sona will speak about our Mahter Mehmetli Namik Ağa Mehmetoğlu. He graduated from Altıbadi branch of the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University.
Soldier Mehmetli Namik Ağa Mehmetoğlu was born on May 2, 1996 in Mehtiri village of Berde region. He was married. Mahter Mehmetli Namik Ağa Mehmetoğlu has a son. Our heroic Marta was a student of Algebra branch of Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University in 2013-2017. The blood flowing from his body was absorbed into the soil of the Mazerat and rose to the peak of Matadon on September 14, while preventing large-scale provocation by units of the Armenian armed forces in Daşkəsən, Kəlbəcər and Laçın direction of our state body on the 9th of September 2013-2022. Martin Ahmet Ağa Mehmetoğlu Mehmetli was awarded the medal for the liberation of Shusha, for the liberation of Hürriyet, for the liberation of Khojavend, for the liberation of Cebrail, for his bravery during the First Four-Day Patriotic War. He was awarded the third-class medal for distinction in military service, the third-class Şahadat order the medal for the liberation of Kəlbəcər. He was buried in Berda.
Angela will speak about our Mahter Cihangir Azadoğlu Nəbiyev. He studied at the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical College on technology teaching.
Mahter Cihangir Azadoğlu Nəbiyev was born on January 18, 1996 in Şeybət village of Tovuz region. He was married and he has a son named Arka. In 2013-2015, he studied at the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical College on technology teaching. He fought in the battle for Füzuli during the Patriotic War, which began on September 27, 2020. Cihangir Nəbiyev, Cihangir Nəbiyev was martyred on October 27 during the battles in Kubadlı. He was buried in the Tovuz region. Mahter Cihangir Azadoğlu Nəbiyev was posthumously awarded the medal for the motherland, for the liberation of Cebrail, for the liberation of Füzuli, for the liberation of Khojavend. On January 8, 2021. On January 8, 2021, the Heroic Summit Auditorium opened the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical College under the Azerbaijan State Pedagogical University.
We are going to recite the poem Salam Olsun, written by our beloved poet, scientist Nahirə Narqızı.
Ey tarixi səcil yaradanlar, nə şanlısız şanınıza salam olsun. Qalacaqdır bu tarixdə var olanlar, silinməz atsanınıza salam olsun.
1. Rezil oldu bizi hürmə saymayanlar, qanda batdı qan içməkdən bilməyanlar, millət yıxılmağa doymayanlar, dünyada hər anıza salam olsun. 1.
Adı qalar zaman zaman sər doğanın, izi qalmaz hər olanın, hər doğanın. İlham sənin Rəcib Tayyip Erdoğan'ın, həmişə var canınıza salam olsun. Şəhidlərim, haqqınız var çiğnimizdə, kəfən geyib, qalacaqdır əynimizdə, çıxmayacaq, yaşayacaq eynimizdə, türklər halqamıza salam olsun.
1.
Ələm idi, qüssə idi hər çağımız. 30 ildən sonra güldü məfrağımız. Dağlandı Şuşada al bayrağımız. Qurban olub, hamınıza salam olsun.
Vatan sağ olsun. Vatan sağ olsun.